What if I told you that sitting still could give you some of the same benefits as a workout?
It sounds almost too good to be true, but the science behind it is fascinating.
This isn't about replacing exercise, but about adding a powerful, science-backed habit to your routine that can profoundly impact your long-term health. Welcome to The Better Habit, where we explore health and nutrition in a way that's realistic, sustainable, and actually works for your life. Today, we re-diving into the steamy world of saunas and a remarkable group of molecules called heat shock proteins. So let's start with the big idea. What happens when you step into a hot sauna? Your body temperature rises and your heart rate increases. Your body starts working to cool you down, much like it does during moderate exercise. This controlled, mild stress is a concept called hormesis, and it's incredibly good for you. It's like a workout for your cells, pushing them to become stronger and more resilient. The key players in this process are called heat shock proteins, or HSPs for short. Think of heat shock proteins as your cell's personal emergency response team. Whenever your cells are exposed to stress, whether it's from heat, exercise, or other challenges, they produce these special proteins. Their job is to protect other proteins in your cells from getting damaged or misfolded. They act like molecular chaperones, guiding proteins to their proper shape and function, cleaning up damaged ones, and ensuring everything inside your cells runs smoothly. This cellular housekeeping is crucial for preventing a whole host of problems down the line. When our cells are clean and efficient, our bodies function better. We have more energy, our brains are clearer, and we're better equipped to handle the stresses of daily life. Now, why does this matter so much for your long-term health? Well, as we age, our cells can accumulate damaged proteins. This buildup is linked to many age-related health issues. By regularly activating your heat shock proteins, you're essentially running a maintenance program on your cells. You're helping them clear out the junk, repair damage, and stay youthful and functional for longer. It's one of the most powerful anti-aging mechanisms happening inside your own body. This isn't about living forever. It's about extending your health span, the number of years you live in good health, feeling vibrant and capable. The connection between sauna use and these incredible benefits isn't just theory. It's backed by some truly compelling research. One of the most famous studies comes from Finland, a country where saunas are a deep part of the culture. This long-term study followed thousands of middle-aged men for over 20 years. The findings were stunning. The men who used a sauna 2 to 3 times per week had a 24% lower risk of all-cause mortality. That means death from any cause compared to those who only used it once a week. But here's where it gets even more impressive. The men who used the sauna 4 to 7 times per week saw a 40% reduction in all-cause mortality. That's a massive difference, and it highlights the power of consistency. They also found significant reductions in the risk of fatal cardiovascular events like heart attacks. So how does this work? The heat from the sauna makes your blood vessels more flexible, which can help lower blood pressure. It increases your heart rate, providing a light cardiovascular workout. And, of course, it powerfully stimulates the production of those all-important heat shock proteins, which help protect your heart and blood vessels at a cellular level. It has a multi-layered benefit that works with your body's natural systems to build resilience from the inside out. The beauty of this is that it mimics exercise. We all know exercise is crucial, and nothing can fully replace it. But on days when you're too sore, too tired, or just need a recovery session, a sauna can provide a similar hormetic stress that keeps your cells in top condition. It's not an either-or situation. It's a powerful combination. Using a sauna after a workout can enhance recovery, reduce muscle soreness, and amplify the benefits of your training by further stimulating those heat shock proteins. Now, a common myth is that you need to endure extreme temperatures for hours on end to get these benefits. That's simply not true. The research suggests that consistency is far more important than intensity. You don't need to push yourself to the point of discomfort. The goal is to create a sustainable habit, not to engage in an endurance contest. In fact, listening to your body is the most important part of this practice. So, how can you start incorporating this into your life? Let's talk about a simple, actionable takeaway. This is not about completely overhauling your routine. It's about starting with a small, manageable experiment. Your first simple habit is this. Find access to a sauna, whether at a local gym, a community center, or a spa, and aim for just one session this week. That's it. One session. The goal here is just to try it out and see how you feel. For the temperature, A good starting point is around 175 degrees Fahrenheit or 80 degrees Celsius. For duration, start with just 10 to 15 minutes. See how your body responds. The key is to stay hydrated, so make sure you drink plenty of water before, during, and after your session. You're going to sweat a lot, and replenishing those fluids is essential. As you get more comfortable, you can gradually build on this habit. Maybe you work your way up to 2 sessions a week, or extend your time to 20 minutes. Remember the Finnish study. The biggest benefits came from consistency, from making it a regular part of their lifestyle. Frame this as an experiment. Pay attention to how you feel afterward. Do you feel more relaxed? Do you sleep better that night? Does your body feel less sore? This self-awareness is what will help you turn this from a one-time event into a lasting habit that serves you for years to come. This is about adding a tool to your wellness toolkit, not a strict rule you have to follow. It's a moment of quiet, a chance to disconnect, and a powerful way to support your cellular health. It's a perfect example of how a small, enjoyable habit can compound into significant long-term well-being. You're not just relaxing in the heat. You're investing in a stronger, more resilient future version of yourself. If this exploration was helpful, please give the video a like and consider sharing it with a friend who's also on a journey to build better habits. I'd love to hear your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Have you tried sauna bathing before? What was your experience? Subscribe to The Better Habit for more simple, science-backed ways to feel better every single day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.